Hello, this video will show you how to use Google Tasks in Google Calendar. Once in Google Calendar, if you go to the right-hand side, you'll notice a small blue icon, what looks like a pencil and a little dot. Go ahead and select that icon. Here you can create different task lists for you to refer to at various times. For this activity, I've created a homework task list. You can start by adding different items that you'd like to complete. You can select enter and it'll take you to the next item. Okay. We've added a few items to our homework list. You can go in and edit the details further by selecting the pencil on the right-hand side. You can add details. You can double check that it's added to the correct list. You can also add a date and time for your reminder or for your due date. Let's go ahead and select a time for Friday, and we'll do it at 10 a.m. You can repeat this reminder if it's a task that you'll be doing ongoingly, such as discussion boards or study groups. You'll go ahead and hit select. You can also add subtasks, so it can be read pages. You can add another one of So we've added a few subtasks. When we're complete with the subtask or and our date, we can hit the back arrow and it'll definitely show the different items. As you complete different items, you can check them off. If you want to review those past items, you can go to the completed option and hit the upward arrow where it has that item scratched out. If you hit the trash can, it'll delete the task permanently. If you'd like to see how these relate to your Google Calendar, next what you can do is you can look on your Google Calendar, and you can see the different reminders for the different tasks. On the left-hand side, you can click or unclick these items, and also, as mentioned, have different reminders for when those are due or when you'd like to work on them. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great semester.